Thank you very much for joining me. I'm Granny and you're watching Grandma Meteorology. Your one like and subscribe give this channel a new life. Look here, highly unusual to see something trying to develop off the coast of Africa this time of year, and it will nudge its way toward the Caribbean. What I want to do is go over all the computer models for you, and what can change its path. I want to show you the steering conditions. I'll do that right here with some new maps in this video. Got you covered. And of course get into that forecast. But you see this big blob here somewhere in here. We're going to see that area of low pressure developing. That is a strong tropical wave that has moved off in the Caribbean. Now one tropical wave sliding by Nicaragua. I want to get to some of the flooding we're seeing in some spots in the Western Caribbean and Central America. A new tropical wave just moved by Trinidad and Tobago, and then a couple more back behind it, but it is this one that does look like it could develop. Most of the models are still seeing that. I'm going to break that down for you. Hurricane center kind of up there. Chance. They had a low chance. It seemed like it would be a better than low chance. And right now they've got that orange shading, which is saying, hey, a medium chance. This does develop, so just super unusual because this time of year usually those water temperatures are so cool. I'll talk more about that in a second. They are warm, all right, so areas to watch closely. This does not mean, and I want to stress this on this channel, I do it for safety. This does not mean something is definitely coming at us. It just means to make sure we're paying attention to it. And if you hear anything about it, you have watched this video, and you'll be able to share this information with others. Thank you again for sharing this channel so late. Next week, this system that is developing could become Brett. As far as the track goes, I'm going to get into that, still uncertain. But if you're in Haiti, the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, British U.S. Virgin Islands, St. Kitts Nevis, and Montserrat over towards Cibanwil, Antigua, and Barbuda over toward St. Martin, Guadeloupe, Dominica, Martinique towards St. Lucia and Barbados, you want to monitor this closely. Again, this does not mean a major system is coming at us, but there is something kind of nudging our way where we're going to do this plenty of times now. If you're anywhere from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Grenada south through Trinidad and Tobago and Guyana, we're just going to monitor this, but again a little bit more of a heightened state just to the north in case we get a tropical storm nearby by late week. So again, Puerto Rico, I'm not seeing any crazy scenario out of this as of now, but I am seeing a system that could be a little bit close. Maybe it misses to the north, but just a heads up. So again, you could share this channel, and I'm just going to give you exactly what I'm seeing. That's what I'll do for you during the hurricane season. All right, so we get a look at the Caribbean here. This is the American model watching this, and I want to talk about some changes in the models from what we saw yesterday. Look how quickly the American model tries to spin this up. This tries to make it a tropical depression or tropical storm late this weekend or early next week. Now, as the American model, though, goes out in time, you see it here. Here's again the Caribbean, Puerto Rico right here, Barbados here. It's not too symmetric. Again, it doesn't look like a classic system, so it may be struggling a little bit. That's what the American model is saying, and the American model wants to bring it to about a tropical storm, and then eventually by the end of next week bring it toward the Caribbean. But there could be some actually weakening from it. There may be a little wind shear here. Wind shear would kind of knock off the thunderstorms, which is a good thing, and prevent it from developing if it stays to the south.